Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty Maisha, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a bow for your hair with my 3D pen. And yesterday I actually made this bow, which I will be showing you guys how I made it today. So the cool part is that it can actually go on your hair. There's this part that opens. And also, I made this bag for my dolls too, which is another cool thing that you can do with a 3D pen. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bow. So for this, you can use as much as colors as you want, but I'm going to be using the colors yellow and orange, which is right over here. And also, before we get started, make sure that you have drawn out how your bow is going to look like. So this is the bow part. This is the part over here which allows it to go onto your hair, to slide into your hair. So now let's get started. First, you are going to heat your pen, which is happening to mine right now. So you'll have to wait maybe a few minutes, but right now mine is done. So before you get started, make sure that your tip is all clean of the 3D pen. So now we can get started. Make sure that you do not fill in this part. And also I'm increasing and decreasing the speed of the 3D pen over here. Now I'm going to turn it for a better view. Now it is time that I make the stripes. So I'm going to clean it again, and now I'm going to start making the stripes. Okay, so now we are going to fill in this part. So now I'm going to work on making this one a little bit more thicker so that it does not break. So I'm going to leave that like this for a little bit to allow it to dry. Now I'm going to start to make this one, like the lines a little bit more thicker. Okay, so now now I'm going to fix this part to make it a little bit more thicker. Alright guys, so now I have finished outlining the orange, and now I have inserted the yellow. So now you are going to fill in this part right over here. Alrighty, so now as you guys can see, I did stripes before, and now I'm going to fill those the middle of those stripes with yellow. So it may look like that the yellow's taking over the orange, but it is actually overlapping it. So that is okay. Just let me fix this part. Okay, so now the next thing is what you are going to do is with the yellow, or you can also use the orange, but since I already took that out, I'm going to make like a circle. For example, over here, as you guys can see that circle, we are going to be making that right over here. So let's get started. Alrighty, it looks good for now. Just let me make it connected to the bottom part so that it does not fall off. Alright guys, so now it is finally all dry. So now I have taken it out. So here is the top. It looks really pretty. And then over here, you can just put it like that to make it work. But it won't really work yet because we still have to secure the clip with some 3D pen to make sure we are going to put it right over here. And then, so when you want to use your clip, you can just open it. Anyways, let's make sure I'm going to be using yellow to clip it inside. So first I am going to make sure that this is how I want it to be. Perfect. Now time to add the yellow stuff inside. So now setting the 3D pen aside, let's make sure that it's dry. It is almost dry. Let me just mold it into place. Perfect. Now let's open it up. Let's try it. Look at this, guys. It actually works. But I think that we are going to need to add a little bit more over here. But besides that, it looks really good. It works perfectly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me making this pretty bow for your hair. Alright guys, so now I want to show you guys how it looks like on my Barbie doll. And also, as you guys can see, I made a necklace and I also made another bag. But if my doll Barbie, she wants to change her bag, she can always have an extra for backup. And now here is the bag. This is the bow. And here is her bag. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. make sure you guys subscribe, leave a big thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!